Hi students, how are you all? I think you are all fine. Is it right? Yes. And first of all, self introduction about myself. My name is Somu. My qualification is MSc BEd. I am teaching social science since 10 years. Is it clear? Yes. Next one is a small suggestion for you as a teacher. What is my suggestion? Already you know, these days we are all facing a typical situation, that is about COVID-19 virus, COVID-19 virus. So it is dangerous virus, everybody know about that. It is spreading over all the world. That is why you don't come out from your home. And my suggestion is stay safe and stay home. Okay? I think everyone follow this. And here we are going to start one class for you. This is only basic purpose. And if you goes to the 5th class, in your 5th class, it is easy for you. And these topics are basic topics are related to your subject. Okay? Yes. Now we are going to discuss about one topic, that is soil. Do you know about soil? Yes. So here different types of crops are growing in the soil. We are constructing building and we are making everything in the soil. Okay? Yes. Do you know how it is formed? Soil. Yes. The type of details we are discussing in the soil topic. Soil is the topmost layer. It is a topmost layer. Of the earth. Topmost layer of the earth. Is it clear? So in this topmost layer, so many animals, plants growing and living. Animals and the plants are living. Okay? So it is also the layer contains water. This soil layer contains water. And it composed of sand, humus, mud and other materials. Other materials means like minerals, like okay, mud and minerals. These all things form this soil. Is it clear? Yes. And now we are going to discuss formation of soil. Formation of soil. How is the soil formed? Do we know how is the form? Okay. So soil is formed by weathering. What is that? Weathering. What is the meaning of weathering? Weathering is nothing but breaking down of rocks. Breaking down of rocks. Generally we are seeing big large rocks. So they are breaking down like small pieces. Finally we are soil is forming. Here weathering is breaking down of rocks. Is it clear? Yes. So due to this continuous process of weathering, soil is constantly formed and deposited on the earth. So this process has been going on for millions of years. So then now we are saying simply Soil is forming by the breaking down of rocks. Simply we are saying, but it takes millions of years. It is not formed within second, hours, 1 day or 2 days. It will take millions of years. Millions of years. So that is why soil is important. Soil is important. And so this farming of way of farming. So soil is farming, breaking down of big rocks. We know now. Okay, but how it is breaking down? So we have to discuss this one in the farming way or method. So it takes two places. It takes two ways. What are the two ways? Okay, what are the two ways here? First one is by water. Got it, everyone? Now we discussed about how soil is formed. Okay, breaking down of big rocks or large rock into small pieces, like the soil is forming. So this farming of soil is taking into two ways. Okay, so first way is by water. By the water, soil is forming. How it is happening? How it is possible by the water means generally we are seeing in the river or in the ocean. Always water is moving, especially in the rivers. Water is moving very fast, and sometimes when rainwater is coming down from the mountain to downside, it is coming with forcefully. By that, what will happen? Big rocks, stones are rolling on the rolling from mountains to downside. They are coming from height to downside. In the river, if you see in the river, stones are rolling like this, rolling and they are moving like this. In this process, when they are rolling, they are hitting one stone to another stone, one rock to another rock, like this. So what will happen in that situation? They will break down into small pieces. Again, that small pieces rolling and hitting another rock or stone. Again, they will break down. Okay, like that. Slowly, these stones are breaking down into small pieces. Finally, they form like a sand. After that, this sand also break down into small pieces. Finally, it is making like a soil. Okay, so this is happening by the water. Next, second one is, this is one way, and another way is by wind. By wind. Soil is forming by wind also. How it is happening by wind? Generally we are seeing heavy winds are blowing. Is it right or not? So we are calling them like gale, storm, like that. Is it right? So when winds are blowing heavily, small stones, rocks, they are flew up and they are hitting to other rocks and stones. Okay, especially we are seeing in the desert. Okay, and sandstorms are coming in the desert. So by that, what will happen? All sand particles are flew up. Okay, by that, what will happen? Sand particles are hitting onto each other. They will break down, and finally they will form like small particles. So that small particles are called soil. They form soil. Like this, by these two ways, soil is forming, but it will take some millions of or some hundreds of years. It is not happening in 1 day, 2 days, or 3 days. Okay, it will take long period. So these are the two ways forming of soil. Is it clear? Yes. Next one is Due to the continuous this weathering process, soil is forming. Okay, in the soil, plants, animals also growing. Okay, from the plants we are getting food items, and so many animals are living in the soil. Okay, yes. You see, we are going to discuss another topic, layers. Layers of soil. Layers of soil. Okay. See here. Generally, we are observing when we dig a pit. Okay. With the help of crowbar, we are digging soil. Then what we are observing? When we dig a pit like this, different layers. Different layers. Like this we are seeing, observe. We observe like this anytime. Top side very smooth soil is there. If you goes to the down, some small big size stones are coming. If you go to the inside, this very big rocks are appearing. Okay? Yes. So these are all called bands. These are all called bands. Different color bands. Different color bands. Okay. So these different color bands are called layers. What we are calling them? Layers. Layers of the soil. Okay. So how many layers are there in the soil? There are mainly 3 types of layers. What are they? One is topmost layer is here. That is called top soil. That is top soil. This is called uppermost layer. Uppermost layer. That is called top soil. And the second one is below the top soil. Another layer is there. That is subsoil or second soil. Subsoil or secondary soil. And below the subsoil at the bottom is another soil. Another layer is there. That is bedrock. Bedrock. So these are the layers of the soil. How many layers are there? 3 layers. Top soil, this is uppermost layer. Below the top soil, subsoil is there. Okay, and below the subsoil, bedrock soil is there. Okay. Yes. First of all, we have discussed about top soil. What is that? Top soil. So top soil is also called uppermost layer. If we see generally, if we dig anything like this happen, appearing to us. So underside we are seeing big rocks like this. Okay, and above these big rocks and a small size of rocks are there. And above that small dust particles or small stones are there, and it is very smooth. This is clear. We can observe in it is a pit. Okay. So here we are seeing different types of layers of the soil. So now we are going to discuss top soil. Where is the top soil here? This is the top soil. This is the top soil. Okay. So what is there in top soil? See here, the top soil is almost layer, topmost layer of the soil. Okay. This is the layer which has plants and growth. In this layer only plants and animals are growing. Plants and animals are growing. Plants and animals are growing. Okay, and topsoil is formed when decaying plant and animals matter like humus is mixing with the soil. Here also these plants and animals also later they will die in their life cycle. Okay, so they are also mixing in the soil, and that is called humus here, and humus also mix with the soil. Then soil will get fertile. Okay, and this layer is appearing as in some places dark color is there, and in some places light in color is there. Light color is there. This is depending upon the quantity of clay. Why it is appearing in dark and light color means that is depending upon clay and the present of humus. Present of humus. So where is clay? More clay is there, that area is dark is there. Where is humus is there, that is light color is there. So this is about top soil. Next, under this top soil, second layer is there, that is subsoil. That is subsoil. Where is the subsoil? This is subsoil. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about subsoil. Okay. In the subsoil, again three types of layers are there. Okay. The first sublayer is made up of mostly sand and silt. It is made up of first sublayer is made with sand and silt, and the light color is there. This one also. It is in light color. It is in light color, and it also has pebbles, gravel. Pebbles means small stones. Generally, see here we are seeing here small stones. So this layer contains pebbles and gravel. So pebbles and gravels are there in this first subsoil, first layer. Okay, and the second, in the second subsoil layer, it contains some big size of rocks, and it has some minerals also. It has some minerals. Okay, so in this second layer, second sub layer only, the root system. Plants have a root system. Yes, this root system is growing into this second sub layer, second subsoil layer, subsoil layer. Okay, trees root system is growing in this layer. Next is third one is third sub layer. So this subsoil is composed by broken rocks. Broken rocks, where any root system, the root system is not growing, don't grow roots, don't grow roots. Here roots are growing, grow roots. Okay, so this is about subsoil. Is it clear? See once. Subsoil, second layer is subsoil, that is here is there. Here we are seeing in the subsoil it is divided to again subparts, three subparts. In the first subsoil it is formed with sand and silt, and it is in light color is there, and it has pebbles, gravel means small size stones are there. Okay, this is about first subsoil layer, and the second subsoil layer is made with minerals. It has minerals and some big size rocks are there. So in this second sub layer only root system is growing. Okay, and the third one is third sub layer. Okay, in this third sub layer is formed with broken rocks, and here don't grow roots. And this is about subsoil. Okay, and here we are seeing third one. This is bedrock. bedrock. This is the third layer of the soil. Third layer of the soil. What is that? Bedrock. So in this bedrock layer, it is this is the last layer in the soil, and this layer has solid rocks. Generally, we are seeing big rocks. So it has solid rocks below the subsoil, and water also. This layer is not pass, does not allow. It does not allow water to pass. Water to pass means there is no water, and this is bedrock layer. Okay, slowly this bedrocks are breaking down, and they are changing into subsoil, like second layer. Okay, and this subsoil, here are some gravel pebbles, broken rocks are there. These are also breaking into small pieces. Finally, it is formed like a topsoil, first layer. Okay, these are the three types of layers in the soil. Understood, everyone? Yes. So now we discuss here soil, types of layers in the soil, like that. And a small topic is importance of soil. Importance of soil. Do you know what type of importance is there with soil? Yes. Let's see here. Plants and animals are growing in this layer. Plants and animals grow. Is it right or not? This is first important. And this layer has, and soil has water. It has water facility. And the soil has many minerals in it. Minerals also are there. Minerals in it. What are the minerals? Coal, petrol, etc. These are very useful to us. Coal and petrol. Is it right or not? And next, another one is, in the soil, metals also are there. It has metals. It has metals. What are the metals? Iron, aluminium, gold, silver, etc. This type of metals also available in the soil. So these are all useful things for us. So like this, we are getting these all benefits from the soil. That's why it is very important for us. And in the same way, enriching the soil means so many animals are living in the soil. Say some examples: rats, moles, small insects like ants, and rabbits, and earthworms, etc. Such type of animals are living in the soil. Is it right or not? So what they will do? They are making holes in the soil. Suppose this is a layer of the soil. They are making like holes, and they are staying inside. Okay? That means they are making small pores. What are they? Pores. Pores means small tiny holes. So why they are making like this pores? They are living in the soil, inside the soil, under the soil. Okay? So that's why they are making holes. They are called pores, and in these holes they are releasing their daily activity purpose. They are releasing their urine and their feces like that. So these all things are mixing in the soil. That is why soil is getting fertile. Soil is getting fertile. So when the soil gets fertile, with the fertile soil, in the fertile soil, we are growing different types of crops, and they are growing very healthy. Okay? Yes. So this is enriching of soil and soil erosion. Another one is soil erosion. Do you know what is soil erosion? Yes, see here. Soil erosion is already we discussed topsoil. Yes, this topsoil is washed away. Topsoil is washed away. This is called soil erosion. So compulsory we have to protect the topsoil. Then only all types of animals, plants are growing in the topsoil. If there is no topsoil, animals and plants are not growing. That is why we are facing some problems. Okay, this is about soil. And see, once I will revise one time, 1 minute. So what is soil means here? Soil is the topmost layer. Soil is the topmost layer of the earth. Okay, it is forming by two ways. That is by water and by wind. So with the help of weathering process. Soil is formed. So in the soil, three types of layers are there: topsoil, subsoil, and the bedrock soil. Okay, already we discussed about them. Okay, I think you understood this topic. So now I am going to give to you a small assessment. Assessment means here homework. So what is your homework? How is soil composed of? Okay. What is weathering? Name the layers of soil. Dash and dash. Dash and dash live in the topsoil. So these are all assessment for you. After listening this class, you have to make answer for these questions. What are the questions? See once. How is soil composed of? What is weathering? Name the layers of soil. Dash and dash live in the top soil. Is it clear? Okay. I think you understood my class. Is it clear? So this class is basic purpose only explained. So this is helpful to your promoted class. Next class. Okay. And I will teach you in the next class. So the topic is forests in India. Forests in India. your next topic. What is that forest in India? Okay, thank you everyone.